Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install our ditch lights with the LP Aventure brackets. So I got my brackets and I got the raw one and I got them powder coated in red. Yep, got them in red just to be different. So to install this, make sure that when you're installing this, they are the correct orientation. Yeah, so make sure that this rectangular slot in here or hole, they are facing outward. Same on the other one, so there should be facing outward. And we install this on the hood, the factory bolts, so we don't have to worry about realigning the hood because this one only screw on one hole in there, so the other one just basically aligned itself on the second one. So let me show you how this one mounts in a moment. And these are my Baja Deigns Squadron Sports. I got the yellow one and we're gonna connect them on our trigger controller, our shooter. I got the 4 Plus. So yeah, so let's connect this. Okay, so this is where it goes. So the slot goes here, so it will align itself, and then you just have to remove this one bolt and you don't have to worry about realigning the hood. So yeah, and I already connected the other side and I run the wire basically under here and it runs here, this one. So I just put it in there and it runs in here. Yeah, and it connects to my trigger 4. So there's two ways actually to wire this ditch light. One way is to run the wire under the hood in here, which you can do. That's another way, or the way I did it. So those basically are some other ways to mount your or to run your harness. So let's proceed with this. Okay, so the way I want to do this is I want to mount the bracket of the light bar first before installing it. So I want to make sure I can tie it properly, so it needs to be tightened properly to avoid theft. So the screw that I got are one-way screws, if it will focus. Yeah, so the one I got are one-way screws with this tamper-proof nut, so it goes that way. And there's another one like this so that you can tighten it properly. So, and then we can just put it in there. Okay, so, and also first I just want to address that with the wiring. So I got the long wiring from trigger and I will manually wire the included plug for the Baja Deigns. So this will go to the trigger. All right, so let's go. Okay, so for this one you'll need a 12mm wrench, whatever you call it, and just remove the bottom part, which is this one. There you go. So easy. Again, you don't have to worry about the realigning it. There you go. Now we're gonna put the bracket. Okay, so the way to put the bracket, again, I already installed the actual mounting bracket for the light bar. And simple as this. There you go. Then we just have to tighten it. There you go. So it is well tightened, and now we can install the squadron. Okay, so I already put the screw in there, and I'm using the supplied lock nuts that they have in there, or lock washer. And then I got the Baja Deigns security bolts, which you can purchase this cheaper at Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. But yeah, so I decided to go this way. So we're just gonna insert this one out in here, put it in the slot. Okay, so let's tighten this one out, and we're good. Now we just have to test it tonight. So we just need to tighten it and adjust. So again, this one is included on the kit, which I have some of this also. These are the combo. I was surprised that my amber got or includes some covers, but the clear one doesn't have, so I'm not sure what's up with that. Okay, so next we have to just connect the wire in here, so just have to open it. And also I'll show you the clearance once we open it. It has a nice clearance. So yeah, so it has a good clearance in here, so it doesn't really touch, so that's the difference. And yeah, so it's good. So let's just wire this one up. It should be golden. Okay, so I'll put the wire underneath in here and there. So there's a problem. So our wire won't reach. Have to do something about this because our wire doesn't reach. What are we gonna do? Can drill a hole in this plastic? Nope. We're gonna do that. So I might just extend the wires from here, and I'll make another lead. I have some extra wiring, so I can possibly do that. Okay, so I ended up using the Baja Design harness. I just cut it from the main harness and use it as an extension. And I use some Deutsch connector to just connect it and extend the harness. I can just cut this, but I just decided not to cut it. But for a clean look, it's better to cut it. There you go. And this is sealed, tightly sealed. So just to test it out, let's press it. Yep, we got lights on both. It's like instant. So you can switch it here and through the app. Yep, so we're good. So we just have to clean this one up. Okay, so let's test this. So I'm controlling it right now with my app. So let's turn them on. Dang, those are bright. Oh, dang, they're nice. They're bright. Yep, we need to do some adjustment on the left and right. But yeah, I'm happy with them. Oh, and also with this trigger controller, we can do this. Nope, we're not gonna do that for long. Just a little bit. So it has a strobe function. All right. Hello guys, so I know it's bright right now, but let's test the ditch lights. There they are. They're nice. I like them. Okay, well, I'm not really gonna use them on
public roads um, right now. But yeah, so that's it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.